If your Honda Fit is failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, follow these steps to restore your connection in under 2 minutes. Studies show that 80% of infotainment connection issues stem from low quality or damaged charging cables. Let us break down the troubleshooting process into manageable steps. Start by inspecting your USB port for debris and toggling your phone's airplane mode to reset the connection handshake. Check your iPhone for pending iOS updates and verify that CarPlay is enabled under your screen time privacy restrictions. Hardware failure is common. Ensure your cable is not frayed and that the USB pins aren't oxidized from moisture. Try a fresh cable and a network reset before spending money on a professional diagnostic at the dealer. A new cable costs pennies, but replacing an internal USB module can climb quickly in parts and labor costs. If you're still stuck, perform a hard reboot of the head unit and verify your system date and time are accurate. Keep a spare genuine cable in your glove box and use compressed air to keep your ports free of pocket lint. Remember, never force a connector into the port if you suspect debris is lodged inside, as you could damage the pins. If these steps didn't work, you likely have a hardware fault that requires professional repair. Thanks for watching.